बताइए।
आप बताइए। और मिस्टर मिश्रा, आर यू गोइंग टू?
हाँ, बता रहे हैं।
यही बताइए, चलिए दीजिए।
मिलॉर्ड आर के सब्रवाल केस में सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने जो जजमेंट दिया है 1995 में, पोस्ट बेस्ड रिजर्वेशन का कॉन्सेप्ट आया, उसी के तहत बिहार सरकार में आज तक रिजर्वेशन किया जाता है। उसका यह है कि टोटल जितना पोस्ट होता है सैंक्शन, उसको परसेंटेज के हिसाब से दिया जाता है। और सपोज दैट 50 अगर है, 50 में एससी का अगर 16% के हिसाब से 8 होना चाहिए।
आपने पोस्ट वाइज रोस्टर बना दिया क्या?
पोस्ट वाइज
आपका पोस्ट वाइज रोस्टर चल रहा है
जी 95 से।
बिहार बैकलॉग हैज बीन, हाउ यू हैव कैलकुलेटेड द बैकलॉग?
जी वो वर्किंग स्ट्रेंथ के आधार पर, वर्किंग स्ट्रेंथ के आधार पर। सपोज दैट अगर टोटल 100 है सैंक्शन, 50 लोग कार्य कर रहे हैं, तो 50 में 16% के हिसाब से एससी का 8 होना चाहिए। अगर एससी का 8 है देयर इज नो बैकलॉग, अगर एससी का 8 नहीं है 6 है तो देयर इज 2 बैकलॉग, शॉर्टेज इज कॉल्ड एज बैकलॉग। तो हम लोग टोटल को करते हैं कि 2 ग्रुप में बांट देते हैं, रिजर्व और अनरिजर्व में बांट देते हैं। अगर अनरिजर्व का,
so for backlog, how many years backlog will be continued?
so वो
Is it not there that after 3 selection process
yes sir
gets left?
yes sir yes।
तो लेफ्ट के अंदर वो जनरल के लिए चली जाएगी पोस्ट।
वो
तो आप उसको पोस्ट को फिर आप टोटल स्ट्रेंथ पे तो नहीं निकाल सकते।
3 बार ट्राई करने के बाद अगर वो पोस्ट अनफिल्ड रह जाता है
तो उसके बाद वो टोटल स्ट्रेंथ में तो नहीं रहेगी ना
जी। नहीं, वो अनरिजर्व को चला जाएगा, वो मेरिट क्लास को चला जाता है और समझेंगे कि उनका कोटा पूरा हो जाता है। आफ्टर 3 एडवर्टाइजमेंट, 3 बार प्रयास करने के बाद।
How many advertisements have already taken after 95?
ये तो नोडल डिपार्टमेंट है, आप बताइए।
हम ज्ञानी लोग जीतल है फिर जबरदस्त।
Two advertisements have been published after 19.
1999, 2014 and
This present one is the third one.
third one is fourth one. This one is the fourth one.
This is the fourth one, na? So it will be lapse. So they will lapse. आप फिर वो बैकलॉग वाली कैसे पोस्ट आपने इंक्लूड कर ली? भाई तीन अगर एक मिनट जरा समझने दीजिए। What he is trying to say is correct, that 3 times for 3 times post can be carried forward, and it will be against the number of posts. That reservation has to be done accordingly. You tell us exactly how many times selection process has been conducted. That it boils down to that. If it is the third one.
ये अभी जो चल रहा है 2020 का बैकलॉग का, ये सेकंड है।
सेकंड क्या है?
सेकंड ट्रांजैक्शन है।
सिलेक्शन प्रोसेस कब से स्टार्ट हुआ? 95 के बाद।
95 के बाद 92 में जो एक बार पहली बार आया, उसका कंप्लीट हुआ 96 में। उसके बाद एक आया 2003 में एडवर्टाइजमेंट।
98 में एडवर्टाइजमेंट नहीं हुआ
जी? नहीं, वो उसी के बैकलॉग का, उसका बैकलॉग नहीं है ये, उस वक्त क्लियर था। ये बैकलॉग है जब 2003 के बाद का।
You please tell us first give me the recruitments held, then we will come to this aspect.
कब हुआ है?
पहले तो recruitments कब हुए हैं ये बताइए।
एडवर्टीजमेंट कब हुआ है?
For that purpose, my lord, give some time. It is bring on the supplementary affidavit.
हाँ, रिकॉर्ड पे लेंगे, सब चीज रिकॉर्ड पे लेंगे।
आखिर 2014 का कितना बैकलॉग था, उससे पहले कब एग्जाम हुआ, उसका कितना बैकलॉग?
Let see, the concept is very simple.
My lord.
If there has been some backlog
My lord.
which could not be some selection which could not be done
My lord.
of the reserved category in the first recruitment,
My lord.
they will carry forward in second recruitment.
My lord.
And even if in second recruitment they could not be filled, they will carry forward to the third recruitment.
Third one.
All right.
My lord.
So that will be of the first, second and third.
My lord.
So what happens, say suppose in first 5 posts remain vacant. They will be added to the reserved category, reserved post of the next recruitment. Say in the next recruitment there are another 5 posts. So there will be 10 posts of reserve category.
My lord.
Out of those 10, suppose 7 are filled,
My
then 3 remain. They will go in the third category, third recruitment.
my lord.
And third recruitment, if those, say another 8 are added and they become 11, and out of 11, again only 5 are recruited, then 6 of them will go forward.
My lord.
But if 3 recruitments are already over, then they will lapse. Then it will not be counted in the total number of posts. जो आप शुरू में बात कर रहे थे, वो हम शुरू का फर्स्ट रिक्रूटमेंट में देखते हैं और फिर दूसरे रिक्रूटमेंट में भी देखते हैं, थर्ड रिक्रूटमेंट में देखते हैं। पर जो लैप्स होती है उसके अंदर ये नहीं रहता कंटिन्यूस, क्योंकि साहब पहले वाली की लैप्स हुई है, अभी तक नहीं है। पहले वाली की तो फिलअप हो गई और अब आप कहो कि नहीं साहब ये तो 3 जो बची हैं, 6 बची हैं,
नहीं सर,
ये लास्ट वाली की रिक्रूटमेंट है, ये नहीं होगा
सर। 3 ट्रांजेक्शन तक तैयारी करेंगे उसको,
बस
में अगर नहीं मिला
तो आप हमें लिखा
एक्सचेंज करते हैं
तो
सर।
उसके हिसाब से आपने जो चार्ट बनाया है,
सर
जिस बेसिस पे आपने ये रिक्रूटमेंट का नोटिफिकेशन भेजा पीएससी को, वो दिखाइए, वो बताइए आपने जो बना कर दिया। भाई आपने किसी ने बैठ के कहीं ना कहीं तो एक्सरसाइज करी होगी। इज इट नॉट देयर ऑन रिकॉर्ड एनीवेयर विद यू?
ओरिजिनल रिकॉर्ड भी मांगा था लास्ट ऑर्डर।
वही हम पूछ रहे हैं इनसे। इट इज नॉट देयर, समबडी हैज जस्ट प्रिपेयर्ड इट, ऐसा तो नहीं होगा। इट हैज टू, समबडी मस्ट हैव कैरीड आउट दैट एक्सरसाइज।
मुंह जबानी हम नहीं बोलेंगे, आप अपने
जब से यूनिवर्सिटी बनी है तब से ये बैकलॉग काउंट करेंगे क्या?
Norm 95. He is right. After R.K. Sabharwal judgment, the earlier it was vacancy-based roster.
Yes,
It was changed to post-based roster.
my lord.
And after the post-based roster having been introduced, in Ajit Singh Januja, it was mentioned that these posts have to
Yes.
be made, they will carry forward,
Yes,
and
my
3
lord.
times they can be carried.
That's right. This is what.
So after 1995, we will have to see how many recruitments have been undertaken.
Yes, my lord.
And if there have been more than 3, then how many posts actually can be said to be backlog? That is a factual aspect for which we will require their assistance. Now you have known what the court is asking you. You can prepare, and we will give you time again. You can come with us with everything. I think that is the best way.
अब थोड़ी इनको कैलकुलेशन करना है, उस समय जो किए थे वो दिखा।
वही दिखाना है, तो बताएंगे तो सही ना, कैलकुलेशन करा हुआ है तो। यस मिस्टर नंसी। यस मैडम।
और इनके एक चीज हुजूर को और बंद।
Time for your question to be answered.
Then,
6 weeks.
my lord, I'll be
Madam,
praying.
there is a very other aspect. The selection process is underway.
Yes.
Many appointments have already been made. If your action is found to be wrong, we will have to take some action against those appointments, which is going to create
And have
not havoc, but it is going to create at least heartburning. And those who have been selected, they will. It is, and then I'll fix an accountability. So you must be quick in, because we have already asked you twice for all this. After coming to the court, and if you say that we are not prepared, this exercise has to be done at your level, not in the court.
With my lord's permission, can I, my lord, interject for a moment? In their act, which was amended in 2004, there is specific provision which deals with backlog vacancy. Can I read?
2004 Act.
Yes. Can I read, my lord? Section 4 was amended and it reads, Parantu backlog और कैरी फॉरवर्ड रिक्तियों पृथक एवं विशेष वर्ग की मानी जाएंगी और उस वर्ग की आरक्षित रिक्तियों के साथ जिसमें उस वर्ष की रिक्तियों की कुल संख्या पर 50% आरक्षण की सीमा भी निश्चित करने के लिए भरी जाने वाली हो, विचारण नहीं किया जाएगा। दूसरे शब्दों में 50% आरक्षण की अधिकतम सीमा मात्र चालू वर्ष के दौरान जिसमें रिक्तियों को भरने की प्रक्रिया अपनाई जा रही हो, होने वाली रिक्तियों पर ही लागू होगी और आरक्षित वर्गों के संबंधित पूर्व के वर्षों की बैकलॉग कैरी फॉरवर्ड रिक्तियां पृथक और विशेष वर्ग के रूप में मानी जाएंगी। एंड इट ऑल्सो envisages that a special recruitment for filling up backlog vacancies will be carried out.
Did they do it?
They have not done that.
So they have added them in this.
That's right. They have added them in this.
So that addition would not be for the purpose of calculating 50%. That is very clear. Now they have made an amendment in the constitution to that effect.
That's right, my lord.
So that part is all right. But they will have to show. That is all for the present.
और हुजूर एक डॉक्यूमेंट मैंने आपको दिखाया था.
The only aspect which we require to examine, I think we can shorten down the entire issue to only this aspect. As regards having not conducted a special drive, well, that is for the government to do it. It's not for the courts to come in between. If they have done that special drive along with this, in normal course, they should have, as UPSC does it, they should have shown separately that these are backlog and these are the 50% part. But as they have not done it, let us know how they have added.
सर उसमें ये कहना मुझे वो 81वां संविधान संशोधन के लाइट में ये 13/2004 एक्ट लाया गया था कि जो बैकलॉग रहेगा उसको करंट के साथ नहीं जोड़ दे, क्योंकि इंदिरा साहनी केस में ये डिसीजन था कि रिजर्वेशन में बी लेस देन 50% बट मस्ट नॉट बी मोर देन 50%, इसीलिए उसको अलग किया गया था।
आपकी बात को यही कह रहे हैं
जी सर,
ये उसको मना नहीं कर रहे
जी सर।
पर आपको अगर एडवर्टाइजमेंट में अगर बैकलॉग की पीछे की वैकेंसी दिखानी थी तो उसका एक अलग ब्लॉक बनाना था आपको, जैसे यूपीएससी करती है, वो आपने किया नहीं। तो चलिए अब आपने नहीं किया तो आप ऐसे बता दीजिए कि आपने कितने कैसे किया है,
कितने रिक्रूटमेंट हुए, कौन सा फेस है
बताइए, कल तक बताइए। चलिए आपको शाम तक का आज की पूरी एक्सरसाइज करने का टाइम देते हैं।
सर जीएडी तो पॉलिसी करता है
टुमारो at 10:30।
Monday
No, we don't have time. We don't have time.
2 तारीख को
नहीं हुजूर, ये मैं हर बार बोलता हूँ जो फिर आज दोहरा रहा हूँ, ये नहीं ले आएंगे हुजूर, स्टे कर देंगे, आ जाएगा हुजूर, प्रोसेस स्टे कर देंगे, उनका सब आ जाएगा कागज।
Process if it stayed, it is going to affect the commission. They have already
No,
fixed schedule.
they may continue with the selection, but appointment shall not be made. ये कर दिया जाए, आ जाएगा। I am very sanguine. और इनको जब 6 weeks मांग रही हैं, दे दिया जाए।
3 जनवरी।
What do you say, Mr.
3 जनवरी के लिए 3 जनवरी को रखा जाए ताकि इस बीच में जो
इनको कमीशन को कुछ करना नहीं है इसमें, ये एक्सप्लेन करना है गवर्नमेंट को।
Yes, Mr. What do you say? We restrain you from making appointments. No, that doesn't. In the courts, we don't have plead or not to plead.
everybody is understanding the issue now, the officials and the lawyers. So
the lawyers should have make them understand this is not the thing. You are she's the additional.
she is the director.
Director higher education.
Posted clear documents I received, I am just authorized to forward it to the IO. So I have no role in doing all those exercises because.
Please don't say this. I am going to.
It's fantastic. University says I have no role.
If I note it down what you are saying, then we will give a comment on that. I don't know.
My lords, My lord, see, university says I have no role, she says I have no role.
The director, higher education is present in the court. On the last occasion, this court had directed the state authorities to produce the entire detailed method and manner in which they had calculated the backlog posts which were requisitioned to the commission for recruitment of assistant professors in various colleges and universities in Bihar. It is on account of the fact that out of the total 4,638 posts, the posts available for open category were only 1,223, which was stated to be much less than 50% as per the senior counsel appearing for the petitioner. Learned senior counsel had prayed for restraining the respondents from issuing appointment orders on the basis of the selections being conducted by the PSC.
Bihar State University Service.
Bihar by the University Commission. University Service Commission. The officers who are present in the court today are unable to produce documents whereby they had sent the requisition to the University Services Commission. It is also not known as to how many backlog posts have been filled in the last recruitment conducted by the commission. Further time is
Last time it was conducted by Bihar Public Service Commission.
Further time is sought for by the director to place the entire record and the material which was the basis for preparing the requisition. In the interest of justice, time is granted to the government authorities to file their supplementary affidavit relating to backlog posts. Stop. It is noticed that the Bihar University Service Commission is conducting the interviews for selection process and have also made several recommendations to the state government for appointment. Keeping in view the seriousness of this case, where if ultimately the process of selection on various posts is found to be in excess of the reservation, of 50% reservation, comma. Many candidates who may have been selected may not be appointed, or their selection may have to be revised. It would be in the interest of justice that till the next date, the respondent state government is restrained from making further appointments in terms of the selection process which is being conducted. However, the University Commission shall continue with their selection process. List this case again on 3rd. By 3rd you will be able to get the things done. Or you want any further time? Give a date.
So 6 weeks.
Because because the appointment will be restrained only till next date. I am only restraining it till next date.
Till next date तक उनका होगा time. 10 तारीख को now the second week का
9th January. 9th January. 10th January. 10th January as a first case.
My lord has restrained state government. It should be /universities. State government /universities.
State government of universities. I don't know. You should bring the record. Bracket में लिख लीजिए, it is made clear that if on the next date the record is not made available, adverse inference shall be drawn against the concerned authorities.
It's clear.